Good evening and welcome back. Before we get into the sporting action, some updates on the by-elections that we're keeping an eye on. And we take you to Nakuru County, that London by-election, the word there. Those are the current results that are coming in. These, of course, are provisional results. The UDA candidate, Anthony Nzuki, recording 790 votes so far. Francis Njoroge of Jubilee, 502. And you have Bernard Minor there as well, 274. As you can see, quite a record, a full race with all of the other candidates. But 13 polling stations recording so far out of 29. So that gives you an indication of the percentages we're talking about. But so far, those associated and supporting Deputy President UDA happy with that result, but you never know. So let's take you to Kabuchai in the meantime. This is in Bungoma County, and you have the results as they stand right now. Ford Kenya candidate Simiyu Majimbo Kalasinga is with 2,385 votes. UDA's Masinde Evans Kakai 1,176, and Mr. Mufutu there trailing behind at 132, and amongst other candidates. And those are 17 polling stations out of 103 polling stations. So quite a long way to go. Then you have, this is Matungu, and Matungu is in Kakamega County, Matungu constituency. The provisional results and votes coming in counted for Nabulingo Peter of ANC, 231, 118 for ODM, and UDA 34. Lanya Alex there. So those three have been seen and regarded as the front runners, but it's going to be quite the night tonight, as I'm sure many will be keenly following the developments in those regions, and we here on KTN News will keep you posted, so please do stay with us. In sports news, the 25-year-old